Well, today we have an Indian in the house, and it's basically going to be a situation of exploratory surgery. What I mean by that is figuring out how it comes apart. So, first thing you're looking at, hey, how do I get to these speakers? This is where this tool comes into effect. And lightly just pop up on it, see? Now, I've already did the other side, so I've already kind of figured out how it comes apart. But with any new vehicle you're dealing with, you want to take your time and see if you can figure it out. So now we got to figure out how the speaker comes off and what speaker can we put in its place. That's the next thing. Well, today we out in the valley. We done got another one. My man say, Rob, I need you to put your touch on it. Now, we've got, what I'm about to show you on the bag is a home improvement job. So he did round up all the TSD setup, all Pioneer. The two ways here. We got the Pro horns. My man even got the tweeters, matching mid-range tweeters to go with it. So I was like, okay. But he said, Rob, I need your help because I don't believe it's being all it can be. And he didn't like it how he did his carpet. So I was like, okay, well, all right, I can feel you on that. So we're gonna go ahead and rework the bags, and rewire the bike, change it to my style of 2.0, and when I get it off the truck and I get it back to the area, I'm out here in the valley today picking this one up, and we're gonna take a listen to it before we take it apart, just so you can hear a baseline of where we started from. But you know, interesting on the blue. He needed a little bit more technique on his gluing techniques, or maybe the adhesive material he wasn't using as good. But this is the type of carpet you don't want to use to do bags with, unless you are good at your cut work, and you'll get things like this right here spurring up. So, or I think he had the bike painted, so he had to rip it back to get this here off. But you know, after a while, if you don't have the glue in right, it will do this. It'll just peel down. The heat will get to it, and it'll just drop. And so, things of that nature, you want to, for your do-it-yourselfer guys, to be aware of how to do it. You know, for example, it happened over here too. It probably was pretty interesting looking when he first did it, but then after, you know, usage, and if you don't know how to spray your carpet that well, it'll do that. But the main thing, I stopped using this type of carpet because this is floor carpeting for a car. It has this back on it like this, and when you cut it, it doesn't, unless it's going underneath a lip, then you won't see the cut. But if it's bugging up against something, you will see all of this right here on the top, the black edge. So it's just a technique thing, but we're gonna get him together. As I say, you know, you pay the cost, you can be the boss. And so I'm out here, we got in the truck, we're out here getting some barbecue out here in Stockton. We looked it up on the computer, and they're saying, hey, it's good stuff. So we're gonna check it out. Once again, Moy's Car Stereo, on the move, making it happen. So if you're ever out in the Stockton way, DJ's Tri-Tip, they got it going on. Just letting y'all see what I see. I'm gonna eat what I eat, and you're gonna see what I see. Gotta go. They're out here on Tracy Boulevard. No, actually Pacific and Douglas, where they be hanging out at on the weekends. Y'all Google them, search them on Facebook, Instagram, somewhere. We're gonna get it going on. Gotta go.
Punchy, it's raining, it's too dark, it's cold. Is we ever gonna get to the
we're gonna get that thing. We go.
Cleaned up under here.
Remember I told
Working
you
it out.
Remember I told you that?
No, you said
New tweeters.
Tweeters. Come back down.
Hand controls are working now. Bag hooked up. Other bag hooked up. Gotta hide the wires after I put it all back together and get everything functioning. Alright. Ask your husband, did he have issues with this radio? This is, I think, why he said he wanted a new radio. It's been doing this for the last half hour. I'm finna put his USB back in here and see if that works. Cause it's been blinking off and on. Like you see it here, it's on and bam. And then it will shut off. Watch. Bam, off. Yeah. This one's about to be out the door. Gonna do a drop-off service. Got him playing. He had that crazy carpet going on. So we upgraded him. AMG'd him out in black. You know, he got them 6902s on there. 6902s were known for having bass. In my new configuration, we got some bass. That's what I'm talking about. Wayne's Car Stereo. Keep it rolling. I'm taking tomorrow off. My feet tired. I'm tired. Going hard, too hard. We'll be back up and running soon. Gotta go. Guess who's back? I'm in another city. Man, we over here dropping off the bike, man. Man, who you riding with, man?
Steady mobbing.
Steady mobbing. How many deep is y'all, baby?
Right now, only 12 in Stockton.
Y'all on the ground?
Yeah, on the ground.
Ah, got a question. Everybody been asked a question. They say, Rob, you're fixated with this. I'm just trying to define the answer. If you in a club, do you need the bike first or do you get the patch first?
You need a bike.
So you can't get the patch without the bike?
No.
So ain't no SE going on.
No.
You got to be on the ground to get your patch.
No spectators. You got to have a bike. It's a bike club.
That's what he said. I'm just saying. I know I've asked the question. I just want to make sure everybody got the same answer. Because that's how I feel about scenario 2. I didn't get a chance really to play this, y'all, when we was going on because my man had some business to handle. But he had this blue carpet up in there. We resolved that, reorganized the bag, eliminated some extras, and put some extras on him. So, you know, we're going to give y'all a little taste of how he sound now and ask him how he feel about it.
You the best chick in the room. And I bet your coochie so good that it even be trademark legal zoom. I'm trying to get rich. But see, you hard-headed and divisive. You want to be a vindictive bitch. I got the right away. Bitch, get out here and make my fitty so I can put it on my cousin Books and JK.
That'll work for you?
But I only got $1 for a cigarette.
He said he got $19 on it. Only got enough for a cigarette. Hey, that's all I got to say, y'all. We just going to get up out here like this.
I got $19 for a lap day. But I only got $1 for a cigarette.
How you hit it? How you hit it, y'all? Here you go. Get it now. We out here, Money's Car Stereo. We on to the next one. Gotta go.